This video, I'm going to talk about Amazon OTR or one-tap review, what it is, and what to do about it. So stay tuned.
Wolf Entrepreneur.
Sorry, I don't have a proper intro yet. I'm working on it. So in this video, we'll be talking about OTR, what it is, and what to do about it. Amazon's been playing around with OTR for a while now. They've been doing A/B testing, so it hasn't been rolled out 100% officially. Some buyers are getting this, some buyers are not getting it. It's not officially been rolled out. It's a way for Amazon to combat fake reviews and for a way to have a more transparent review marketplace. Apparently, according to Amazon, when I contacted Amazon, that's what they said, because I was quite surprised initially, because previously you could actually track down who left a negative review, and you could offer a full refund, or plus offer them a replacement without asking them to actually remove their negative feedback or negative review. And in most cases, they will actually change the review to like 4-star or 5-star after they've experienced a really good customer service. So it was really effective. It worked really well. There were applications out there, or there were methods like going through the wish list of buyers and trying to figure out who they are and sending them an email. So it was quite good, and I would say it had like around 75% success rate on changing the 1-star review to 4-star or 5-star, right? So now with the OTR, it's almost impossible to find out who's, correct me if I'm wrong, if anyone actually knows how to find out who's left an OTR, please comment below. I would be very interested to learn, because I've been selling on Amazon since 2010, and it's quite new to me. So a buyer can leave a 1-star rating without even logging in the orders or whatever. They just click on the star. They get an email with 5 stars, so just click on that first star and that's it, it's done. Or on the application, they click on the 1-star and it's done. It's making things for us sellers way more difficult, because it's more likely a buyer would leave a 1-star review if they have that kind of facility where, hey, rate the product, than leaving a 5-star rating, not review, because it's just the way it is, especially in a lot of products like I don't know, like food or creams or supplements, things like that, products that need time to see results. Some buyers, unfortunately, they just leave a 1-star review for some reason. That's my experience. So what should we do to reduce the risk of receiving a 1-star rating? It's the same for review as well, really. All these principles apply to review and receiving a rating. So first of all, make sure you actually sell a good quality product. It's quite obvious, really. Just make sure your product is good quality. Make sure it's a usable product. It doesn't break easily. And yeah, make sure you've tested the product, and make sure the supplier is consistent. Make sure you always get the same quality product from the supplier, because sometimes the supplier sends you good quality products and they're trying to cut cost and provide the product for the same price, and they kind of cut corners and you get a worse quality product on the next batch. So make sure your supplier is good and the products are consistent, and make sure you do check them before actually sending them to FBA. Don't trust your supplier to do it, unless you build that trust with your supplier. You've been working with your supplier for several years, because I have a lot of bad experiences, or the people I worked with had some bad experiences trusting suppliers, even suppliers that they've been working with for several years. Make sure your listing is accurate. You have clear photos, you have a good FAQ on your listing, addresses a lot of common questions before they actually buy it, so that they make sure, like, if it's a phone accessory, they make sure it's compatible with their phone before they buy it, and make sure the pictures are accurate. Don't try to manipulate the pictures too much, so it looks like something is actually not. I've seen this a lot with a lot of people I work with, that they make this really nice 3D image of the product, abstract image, that it's actually nothing like the product. It was really exaggerated, and yeah, I mean, you get quite a lot of bad response from the buyers. So that's that. Also, something that works really well for my clients and for myself is providing something for free, like a surprise in the packaging. For example, if you sell, let's say, a beauty product, make sure you I don't know, you provide some freebies, like, I don't know, like, I'm just saying on top of my head, some sort of like extra free, I don't know, moisturizing cream, or face wipes, I don't know, whatever comes with beauty products. Make sure you just offer that for free in the packaging. And because the surprise element, when you go the extra step to provide like something extra, that's a wow factor. Not a lot of sellers are doing that. Don't even advertise that on your listing. That's a surprise. Yep. So they open the package, there's another thing for free. Most likely they will be leaving much better feedback than previously, having something for free, obviously. Another method you could do is actually providing like ebooks for free. So you can have an insert into your product, and you can provide, like, you could have like a little URL for for a free ebook on your website or somewhere like that. This is kind of like a gray area, but we've done it before with a lot of clients, and there's never been an issue. So yeah, you can do that as well. Another thing you can do is you can provide discount codes for a repeat purchase, or for your other product ranges on another insert. But again, this is also like a gray area. Do it at your own risk, because sometimes you need to get permission from Amazon to actually include promotional material within your packaging. But again, usually, because you're not referring them to your website, everything's through Amazon, it shouldn't be a problem. Another obvious thing to do is make sure you respond to customer emails and respond to their questions on Amazon on time, within the 24-hour time frame, or quicker if you can, obviously. Make sure you do send feedback request follow-up emails. These are really powerful. Amazon does send automatic ones, but it's very important you do send your own customized feedback request emails, review request emails, feedback request emails, whatever you want to call them. And it's good because you can actually customize it and make it more personal. What I've found that works really well is writing a very friendly email that tells about your company. Something like, we're a family run company, and we've been in this business for 1 year. We love to keep our customers happy. We only provide high quality products, and we would love if you could actually leave a review for our product, because we strive to be better, and we try to basically get your feedback and improve our products, and It's really good because they can then relate to it. And it's a family run business. It's, they care about their business, other than just sending it like another generic email saying, "Hi, thank you for your business. Please leave a review." Just make it more personal, Hey, and sign it up by saying, "Hey, Sam, the CEO of blah 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 blah," something like that. So it's more personal. So to sum it up, really, basically, all this is summarized into 1, make sure you have good quality product. 2, accurate listing, clear photos, and a good FAQ on your listing. Number 3, have something extra, a freebie or like an ebook or something like that, when you actually, a surprise when you deliver the product. Put down inserts asking for a review. Again, you can't ask them specifically for a positive review. It needs to be like, hey, we hope you're happy, please leave a review, da, da, da. You can also insert number 5, you can insert a discount code for your other products or for the same product. So you got 50% off. This is the discount code or whatever percentage you want to offer. Respond to customer emails and respond to questions on Amazon product list, and also send out feedback email sequences. I hope you found this video useful. It's my first video on Wolftrepreneur. I didn't really prepare much. It's almost New Year. We've been doing a lot of partying and stuff. So this is my New Year resolution for 2019, to make some more videos. I want to share my experience with all you guys. I've been doing Amazon since 2010. I've been doing eBay, Amazon, e-commerce, and I love to share what I know with you guys. So if you found it useful, please let me know. If you have any questions, comments below, or if you have any feedback, please let me know. I'm looking to improve and looking to do better videos. And if you have any suggestions, again, just leave a comment. Please make sure you subscribe and click that little bell thingy on YouTube. And yeah, it's got a notification bell. And yeah, I'm planning to upload really cool content. As I said, I've been selling for many years, and I'm selling while I travel, and I just love what I do, and I think it's time I share the knowledge with you guys. Well, have a very good year and see you soon. Bye bye.